What's up, guys? This is Abigail. She's my 11-year-old, almost 12-year-old blue nose. She has some trouble getting up in the truck. I ordered some Nerf bars or running boards. These are the Top Line Auto Part matte black hoop drop step. In this video I'm going to be doing the unboxing. In the next video we'll be doing the installation. Now we're going to move on to the unboxing. We have the small box here that I'm opening up right now and the long box behind it. This small box contains the brackets that will bolt onto the truck. So we have this first bracket here I'm pulling out. First couple brackets. The first one there kind of looks the same there. The second one, it has that off weird piece on the top, and that next piece I pulled out there is a mirror image, so driver's side, passenger side. Right, we got another one of these brackets. That makes 4 of these. Move these around a little bit. Get stuff sorted now that I see what I'm pulling out of the box. A couple of these look a little, I don't know. It's all just bolt on, so it's pretty simple. We got a nut and a lock washer loose in the box. Hope we're not missing any hardware out of this. Definitely could be missing some of this hardware. What did they do? They just bunched up the bag and stapled it. They didn't bother to fold over the top. Of course you're going to lose hardware. But it's a pretty nice box. They had it pretty secure. So back to fast forward mode. I'm going to unpack this box. Going to set everything out so we can get a good count of everything. You know, before you start any project, it's a good idea to inventory everything and make sure everything that's supposed to be there is actually there. I mean, it really sucks starting a project and you do not have everything that's supposed to be there. Alright, so we have this inventory sheet. Looking at these different brackets, we got a couple different things here. Mounting bracket 1, 2, and 3. This looks like a maybe mounting bracket 1 left and right side. Mounting bracket number 2 is probably these 4. So this is probably mounting bracket 3, 1, 2. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. So we got 2, 2, 4, and 4. There are 12 of these M8 by 30 hex head bolts. Okay, then the M8 flat washer, these are in 3 piles of 5, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yep, 3 piles of 5. Okay, next the M8 lock washer, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we have these triangle shaped pieces. They must be what they're calling the M8 T-shaped bolt. There are 6 of these. Next we have the M6 by 25 hex head bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's another 9 is 18 of these. The M6 flat washers, 5, 10, 15, and 18. M6 lock washers, okay? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Lastly, we have the M6 nuts, and all 18 are here. Even though we had that nut and that lock washer floating free, we actually have all of the hardware. Everything's here in that box. Alright, let's check out this other box here. Go ahead and open up the long box. Alright, we're pulling out the directions for the running board here. Let's read these here. Okay, step 1, place running board on brackets. Each running board is marked driver and passenger. Step 2, slide M8 threaded studs in track system on the bottom of the running board to line up to mounting holes in each bracket. Step 3, fasten running board on each bracket by using 2 M8 flat washers, 2 M8 lock washers, and 2 M8 hex head nuts per bracket. When all hardware is in place, everything must be tightened. Tighten until split lock washer is flat between the M8 flat washer and M8 hex head nut. Repeat these steps for driver's side installation. Except for it didn't tell me that I had to start on the passenger side. Anyway, you can see the channel here. Alright, so they actually had these things packaged up. They had them wrapped with foam so they don't bang together and get dinged up in shipping. They got these little plastic bags wrapping each of them as well. I'm going to go ahead and pick some of this paper up so that the wind doesn't blow it away. Get this opened up. Like super speed. Look at him go. Alright, so I'm going to go over these. You can see these welds. It looks like pretty decent welds. I mean, it's not very heavy. It's lightweight material, but it looks reasonably put together to me. They had some other of these loop systems, these loop running board setups, and they had like screw-on plates where you step, and I really didn't like that. I chose these because they're welded and not screwed together. I think that'll be more sturdy over time. Some holes to let the mud go through. You see they didn't really weld the back of these. They have some pretty clean welds on the front. We'll see if they got good penetration on those welds as time goes by. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be taking some cars apart coming up here pretty soon. Come check it out.